I'm Jessie, Lizak, head of marketing at BDEX, and I couldn't be more excited to be going through and sharing this quick how-to guide of our new Omni IQ app that we just launched today. And thank you to those who've already started sharing questions. So I thought I would put this together. Here we go. So I already created my account on omni-iq.bdex.com. And once I get in here, I can go ahead and upload my CSV file or files. So all you need to upload is a positive list, but you can upload a positive and a negative. And what we mean by that is you can upload a list of your first-party customer data. Your positive list would be the people you want to target. So those closed-won deals, or if you're in a political campaign, your first-party voter data of supporters. Your negative list would be your suppression list, your closed-loss deals, the people who are not supporting your campaign, the people you do not want to bother and target. All right, so then once you get your lists ready, you can match it based on email address, MD5, MAID, or PII. Just select it here and then drag and drop it in. I've already drag and dropped both of my lists in. And right now, you can't see the data on the first party data. This is coming very, very soon. But what you can do is come into expand your audience, choose the list that you want, put it in a positive, give it a name. You can add your negative right here. Once you do that, it can take up to 2 hours. I uploaded a list with 100,000 contacts, and it took about 2 hours to finally finish. But even before it was done, I was able to view the analytics on it already. So all you got to do then is once it's done, come to audiences, and then you can click on this, see audience analytics. And this would be the gender, household income, and birth year of that list I imported. And so you can see too, you can upgrade to see additional demographics. And this will be handy too once you're able to see all of this on your first party data without the expanded audience. So this is the expanded, custom audience that you would push through to your ad campaigns, and we could help you with that. But you could also find more insights on the different demographics, purchases, location data, and behavior. But I think that's all for this quick how-to. Please let me know if you have any questions, or reach out to our team actually at info@bdex.com. We hope to hear from you.